Dewa Gede Palguna is an Indonesian judge, currently serving his second term on the Constitutional Court of Indonesia. Alongside Suhartoyo, President Joko Widodo selected Palguna to replace outgoing Justice Hamdan Zoelva on the Constitutional Court, leading to Palguna's second term this year. Palguna had been teaching law as a professor at Udayana University prior to his second term this year. Alongside his colleagues Patrialis, Akbar and Manahan Sitompul, Palguna was investigated in relation to a graft scandal on the court in January 2017. Arief Hidayat, the Chief Justice, cleared Palguna and Sitompul of any wrongdoing but discovered enough evidence for the dismissal of their colleague Akbar.